So if there was a property on whether it was a foreclosure or not, we definitely had more foreclosures and short sales back then. Now we don't have a lot of foreclosures and short sales for a couple of reasons. One, the foreclosure moratorium that banks couldn't foreclose for a long period of time. So there's a backlog. There's essentially, we'll probably see it down the road, we'll see. But there was a lot of foreclosures, and even with those foreclosures, you could be aggressive with the banks, with your offer. And people who weren't in foreclosure, again, there wasn't a lot of buyers, so you could be aggressive. Now, you still can't be as aggressive because there's still some competition. It's really interesting. Earlier this year when interest rates were low, you couldn't think about coming in below asking price. You would have to come in at asking or above if you wanted the property. Now that interest rates are higher, you can come in at asking price on some properties. You might be able to come in a little bit below, might be able to get some closing costs, but I can tell you there's still competition. Just recently I had a situation where we put in an offer. We knew we were going to be competing. We came in above asking. The other offer, I guess once they knew there was another offer involved, they went all cash, removed all contingencies, no appraisal, no home inspection, no financing. So even though they were lower than our offer,